Special thanks to eCampusOntario for supporting the development of this feature. Now you can add H5P interactive elements to your book on your Pressbooks network. First, enable the H5P plugin on the book. Note, you must be an admin on the book to enable H5P on that book. Next, go to H5P Content and Add New. Select a content type. In this case, I'm going to select a true-false question. Click Create to create your H5P interactive element. You'll see a shortcode appear in the top right. Go into the chapter where you'd like your H5P element to appear. Save the chapter. Visit the chapter in your webbook to see your H5P interactive on the web. Export and download your files to see the H5P in other formats. Pressbooks will insert a placeholder with the URL of your chapter in formats that do not support H5P.